Myntra Beauty fam, welcome back to Myntra's YouTube channel. Today I am going to do a step-by-step skincare routine using all natural and organic skincare products. You can totally do this routine at home using all the skincare mentioned in the description box down below. All the products are available on Myntra app, the ultimate beauty destination. But before we get into the video, there is a skin analyzer feature on Myntra's app, which is great because now you can go and analyze your skin and get product recommended by Myntra as per your skin type and skin concern, which is great because now you don't have to spend your money on products that don't work out for you, and Myntra chooses the perfect product for your skin type and skin concern. Now I'm going to start the routine with my favorite Dot & Key Watermelon Cleanser. This cleanser is super hydrating and washes off makeup and dirt very easily. I love how gentle it is, yet it's very effective in cleansing the skin. I absolutely love it because it is very gentle on the skin. I cannot do my skincare without a mask, so I will be using the Skin Food Rice Mask Wash Off. This has rice bran water packed with vitamin E and antioxidants, and it gently exfoliates the skin while brightening and softening the skin for a clear and hydrated complexion. Moving right ahead, we will go in with the Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Essence Water that contains 80% of ginseng water and focuses on the benefits of ginseng itself, giving sufficient moisture and nutrition to the skin. It fills moisture and nutrition firmly to help keep your skin moisturized for a long period of time. Guys, all these products are available on the Myntra app, which is linked in the description box down below. Then we'll directly move in with the serum, and this is the Plum Niacinamide Serum. This contains 10% niacinamide with rice water. This improves skin texture and brightness. It minimizes appearance of pores and protects from sun damage. Just look at the texture. It's one of the best, honestly. After this, I will be using the Dot & Key Ceramide Moisturizer. This moisturizer is a barrier repair moisturizer that has ceramides in it. It has hyaluronic acid, it has rice water, and also it has probiotics. It is a very good moisturizer for dry skin to plump and give the healthy effect. Then I will use the Be Body Wise Eye Cream. This eye cream contains 2% bioretinol that fades fine lines and wrinkles. It also reduces dark circles and helps to even out the skin tone under our eyes. Lastly, I will apply the Sugar Pop Lip Balm that is going to hydrate my lips and make it plump and soft. So that was it for the simple and effective skincare routine using all natural and organic skincare that contains zero parabens and toxins. Hope you guys found it helpful. Whatever products I have used today in this video are all available on the Myntra app. Do check it out. Also, all the links will be given down in the description box. And thanks a lot for watching, and do subscribe to Myntra Beauty channel for more such amazing beauty content, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified and never miss out on the update. Bye.